I'm taking this NEUTRIDERM moisturizer and I'm putting this all over my face, massaging it properly, and it is suitable for all skin types. Now I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. It is amazing, it is creamy, and it really blends nicely. I'm using it as my eyeshadow base. To set this concealer, I'm going to be using a loose powder by Maybelline Fit Me. Now for my eyeshadows today, I'm using the JACLYN MORPHE palette, and I picked all the neutral shades from the palette. For this look, I'm going to keep it really simple, subtle, and a beautiful summery daytime look. For the outer corners, I'm putting this darker reddish brown shade. For my transition and for my crease, I used a lighter pinky shade all over. And for my inner corners, I am using the creamy white shade. For my mascara, I'm using the Flower Beauty mascara. It is washable, it is not waterproof. For my under eyes and for all the darkness what I have on my face, I'm using the Becca under eye priming filter. This is amazing. You can wear it on its own, or you can put a concealer on top of this, and your eyes, all the darkness and unevenness on your face is going to be amazing. Like, it is going to settle out everything. You'll quickly see how my face looks after wearing this. For my concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and the shade I used is 25 medium. It is perfect for my skin tone, and that is why I am using it all over my face. I'm using just the concealer, guys, no foundation, nothing. Now after blending this nicely into my skin, you can quickly see how my skin looks flawless and beautiful. Now to set all this creamy thing on my face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. Again, it's the shade light to medium, I think. I'll be mentioning all the products and the shade details down in my description box. Do check out my description box. Now this is again one of a recent purchases, and I am really loving it. This is the Brow Bar by INDULGEO Essentials. You have to spray water or any face mist on this, wet the product a little, and brush your spoolie inside it and apply the product on your eyebrow hair like I am doing right now in the video. You can see this is going to set your brows. If you have thinner brows, it is going to make your brows look fuller. While this brow thing is drying up, I'm completing the rest of my eyes. I'm applying the same eyeshadows down also and blending it nicely with a pencil brush. All the brushes, everything will be mentioned down. So yeah, I am also applying my mascara, the Flower Beauty mascara. It is an amazing mascara, guys, for getting lengthening and volume. You can definitely check out this mascara. Now for my waterline, I'm using this lip liner by NYX. This is a nude lip liner. You can always apply nude lip liners on your waterlines when you're doing such neutral eye looks. Your eyes look really beautiful. For bronzing, I'm using the NYX bronzer, the same NYX brand bronzer in the shade medium. It is again an amazing bronzer. For a daytime look, you should always apply bronzers. It gives a beautiful warmth on your skin. Now I'm using my favorite MAC blush in the shade Melba. I absolutely love this pink color, and it gives a beautiful flush of color on my cheeks, and my whole face looks really pretty. Now for my brows, I'm using my trusty old Wet n Wild brow kit. I recommend this product to almost everybody asking me about my brows. You know, this product blends in amazingly in your brow hair, and it makes your brows look very natural. For my lips, I'm using this K-Beauty lip liner in Hype, and on top I will be applying the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in Clay Crush. It's a beautiful nude color, guys. Absolutely love this lipstick. For my highlighter, I am using the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlight in the shade Rose Gold, Molten Rose Gold. It's a beautiful pink highlighter. I love pink highlighters more than gold highlighters because they complement my skin really nicely. Lastly, I'm wearing a bindi to complete this look because I'm wearing a kurti. And yes, that's my finished look. I really hope you all loved it. And let me know in my comment section below how am I looking, because I really loved creating this look and the end result. This is a very simple and a very pretty look. Everybody can achieve this look using any products, whatever you have in your makeup kit. Use them, wear them on your face. Just wear the products correctly and in correct amount. Always remember, a little goes a long way, so use little product. And yeah, that's my finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Do subscribe and share to my YouTube channel.